Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to add a border to your designs in Canva. Whether you're creating an eye-catching social media post, a polished flyer, or just want to bring a little extra flair to your project, learning how to add and customize borders in Canva is such a simple step, but it can make a huge difference in your final presentation. Stick with me, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to add, adjust, and truly personalize borders to make your designs pop. Alright, let's dive right in. First things first, once you've got your design open in Canva, look over to the sidebar on the left. You'll see a bunch of useful tabs like Uploads, Text, and right in the mix is Elements. Go ahead and click on Elements. This section is packed with all sorts of graphical goodies you can add to your design, everything from lines and shapes to illustrations and yes, borders. Now, the easiest way to get just what you want is to use the search bar at the top of the Elements panel. Just type in border and hit Enter. Canva is going to pull up a whole library of border designs for you, from simple rectangles and dotted lines to more decorative frames with florals, patterns, or even neon effects. It's almost like browsing a box of photo frames at a store. You want to take a moment and scroll through because there's a lot of variety, and the right border can really set the tone for your whole piece. When you spot a border design that speaks to you or matches the aesthetic you want for your project, just click on it and it'll instantly appear on your canvas. Don't worry too much about the initial size or placement. Think of this as laying down the outline before you adjust the finer details. Here comes the fun part. Usually when the border lands on your design, it might not fit perfectly right away. That's okay, you can grab any of the corners or edges of the border and drag to resize it. You might need to stretch it out to reach the very edges of your canvas, or maybe make it a bit smaller if you want a thick white margin all around. Take your time and line it up so it's even on all sides, kind of like making sure a painting hangs straight on the wall. If your border is more decorative or an unusual shape, don't be afraid to rotate or tweak it until it looks just right. Here's a little creative tip. You're not limited to just stretching borders. You can duplicate them for double frames, layer different borders for added effect, or even change the colors if you want it to better match your brand or style. Sometimes experimenting a bit leads to the best results. And if at any point you don't like what you see, just hit undo. Canva lets you go back as many steps as you need. Remember, don't stress if it takes a few tries to get the look you want. Creativity sometimes needs a little trial and error. Borders are such a simple addition, but they can really make your design stand out, tying all the elements together like a frame around a beautiful painting. And that's it, you've just added a custom border to your design in Canva. So simple, but so effective. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a like, and if you have any questions or tips about using borders on Canva, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy, up-to-date design tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy designing.